The gene that is responsible was discovered back in 1993, called the Huntington gene, and it has an unusual mutation that's responsible for the disorder. So in many genetic diseases, there may be a single amino acid that's changed in a protein. In this one, the genetic mutation causes an expansion in the number of glutamines in the Huntington protein, so that in a normal population, there may be between 10 or 20 glutamines in your Huntington gene, but in people with Huntington's disease, they typically have more than 35, and there's this interesting relationship between the number they have and when they get symptoms. So in general, the more polyglutamines they have above 35, the earlier they'll develop symptoms. One of the first things people observed was that when the version of Huntington has a mutation that causes Huntington's, it makes that protein more prone to clump up or aggregate in cells. And it's been a number of years that people have been trying to understand exactly how that property relates to Huntington's disease. But we think now that what that mutation may do is change the way Huntington folds. So proteins are a little like origami. You need to actually fold them up the right way to get them to work. And in fact, there's even a thought that they may adopt several different folds to do different things. And the idea would be that with that mutation, disease-causing mutation, it is affecting the way Huntington folds up and the functions it performs. So probably causing Huntington's disease both through causing it to do things it shouldn't do, as well as maybe losing some of its normal functions.